Welcome. I'm Priscilla Almquist-Olsen. Today we have three members of the Unity Church of North Easton who will tell us all about an exciting day called Pride Day. Take it away.
Hi, we'd like to invite you all to celebrate Pride 2025 at Unity Church at 13 Main Street on June 21st from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Unity, with its long history of support for human rights, is happy to host and organize this event for the fourth year.
One of the very exciting activities we're going to have is live music, free live music from a host of local musicians. Be sure to sign up for open mic, share your talent. The details will be on your screen shortly.
And throughout the day, we will have plenty of family-friendly activities. We have food trucks for desserts and food. We have all kinds of outdoor activities and bell ringing. And we need to make sure that you understand that this is a rain or shine event. If it rains, we will bring everything inside the church. So please join us.
Thank you. And to the audience, welcome to Pride Day on June 21st from 10 to 2 p.m. Thank you, Cathy, Ellen, and Susanne.